In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your global API key on Cloudflare. Understanding how to access your global API key is important for managing integrations with other services or APIs, where secure communication is critical. Let's dive into the process, which is simple and straightforward. To start, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. Head over to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that by entering your email and password. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, locate your avatar at the top right corner of the screen. It's easy to spot, and when you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing different options. Here, you'll want to select My Profile. This will take you to a page where you can access various settings related to your account. Now, direct your attention to the API Tokens section, which is a crucial part of what we're doing today. This section contains all the information about accessing the API keys and tokens you might need. Within this area, you will see a part specifically labeled as the API Keys section. This is where we'll find the Global API Key, an essential tool for many back-end processes, whether you're working with Cloudflare services or integrating with third-party applications. In the API Keys section, you'll notice a View button right next to where it says Global API Key. When you click on this button, Cloudflare will prompt you to enter your account password again. This step is a security measure to make sure that only authorized users can access this sensitive piece of information. So, go ahead and enter your password to proceed. Once you've entered your password, you'll see your global API key. Here's an important point to keep in mind. This key is shown only once. That means you need to be quick but cautious. Copy it immediately and make sure to store it securely in a password manager or any secure storage solution you prefer. It's essential to keep it private and safe because anyone with access to this key can perform tasks on your Cloudflare account that require privileges. Remember, your global API key is a powerful tool in your Cloudflare toolkit, allowing you to interact with Cloudflare's API for automating tasks and managing resources programmatically. Handling it with care ensures your integrations maintain the highest level of security. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and secured your Cloudflare Global API Key. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to refer to Cloudflare's official documentation or forums.